Buying a call option allows you to profit from a stock's upward movement with limited risk and leverage. Interactive Brokers makes this possible, but the process can feel complex if you're new. And in this video, I'll show you how to exactly buy this long call, from permissions to placing your order. So before buying a call, log into the client portal, go to Settings, Account Settings, and Trading Permissions, and enable options. And then you need to get the real-time data, go to User Settings, Market Data, and Subscriptions. Subscribe to Opera. Without it, quotes will be delayed, which can affect pricing. Then search your stock symbol in Client Portal or TWS. Click Options Chains and select your expiration date, strike price, call, and weekly or monthly contracts. Then place the buy order. Now click the call option you want. Click Buy, set your order details, which is quantity, order type, price, and time in force, and click Submit. And then you can just monitor your position, but that's how you buy a long call option on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching, guys. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.